reliable, appealing, and practical. For renovation or new construction, Hörmann high-performance doors are preferred by more and more automotive retailers every day. And here's why. Hörmann offers dealership owners a perfect combination of high-performance door models to fit within your renovation or new construction budget. Our doors are available with diverse track and header configurations to accommodate challenging clearance requirements, offering you more options when designing your project. Our expert team can help you create a customized package of matching doors, meeting your brand compliance requirements and budget, all without sacrificing aesthetics or functionality. We'll work with you to achieve the best selection of our high-performance door models that increases facility productivity while maintaining a comfortable environment for all workers. Wow your customers with the looks, automatic activation, and speed of our Speed Guardian model at high-profile, high-visibility locations, such as service write-up lanes. The attractive double-pane insulated vision slats are coated with our exclusive Duratec glazing, which guarantees maximum scratch resistance despite heavy use and protects the pane from scratches and damage caused by cleaning, so your doors will look amazing for many years to come. For servicing doorways where daily cycles are lower and high speed is not critical, but you like the looks of the Speed Guardian, we have the solution with our Speed Guardian low-speed door model. This model offers the same insulated vision slats, operates at a lower speed, while achieving the same look around the building and meeting brand image compliance requirements. The cost for lower speed models may be as much as 50% lower in some cases. For other openings such as service shop, detailing bays, specialty service areas, and car wash bays, where high-speed capabilities are a must, the Steel Ranger 9000 high-performance rolling steel door is the solution, fitting the bill with fast operating speeds, matching aesthetics, and also at a lower price point. Ultimately, you benefit by achieving a uniform look around the building, but without overspending and paying for unnecessary features. In addition to determining the right model for the right doorway, based on the anticipated number of cycles and locations, we understand that keeping employees and customers out of harm's way is a priority. That's why we design our doors to include many standard and optional safety features. A motion presence detector is recommended for door activation and is strategically positioned and programmed to detect if a vehicle is parked within the pathway of the door opening. This device, in conjunction with the guide track light curtain, provide an invisible barrier of protection for pedestrians and vehicles. Now, more and more installations require that the control box is installed up and out of reach of passers-by, or completely away from the door in a central location. With the control box installed out of reach, our optional remote keypad may be installed on the guide track. All control box functions, including installation setup, opening and closing, as well as service and troubleshooting, may be conveniently performed at the door through this compact keypad. If troubleshooting or service is needed, with our optional Smart Control M2M remote communication service, your Hörmann representative can remotely view your door's activities and operation codes. Many common error codes may be resolved over the phone without a service call, which minimizes the inconvenience of downtime, so your operations continue to flow smoothly. Hörmann is known worldwide as a leader in quality, value, and performance. Whether it's a renovation or new construction project, discover the high-performance door combination by Hörmann that fits your brand specifications and budget.